Fading. Let's stay alive. Pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. We are living the dream, trying to stay alive. This is race number 14 up in the skies. And again, top 4 to move up. We're seeing here that it is bright, and now the process of elimination. 1 and 8. Professor XTC and Danny Chan are now down. We're down to 6 guys with another lap to go. BMS Thomas and EM Jones on to lap number 2. Consolation bracket, this is where you fly smooth to that final. SFPV and Viking FPV 3rd and 4th, but Kid Drone in the number 5 spot, then Brain Drain in the number 6. So we are down to those 6, everyone working on lap number 2, so 2 to go, but your leader, BMS Thomas, he's working his way around that ladder right there, working through the tunnel, and 1 more to go. White flag about to fly for the man from the land down under. He's got some 27s and things cleaning up for him. Now he's in that pressure position. We have seen many champions come out of the consolation bracket using this format. We love it. It's more packs. Viking FPV and SFPV 3rd and 4th. Kid Drone now still in the number 5 spot, but 2.1 seconds back. He's got to find that on the track and make the pass. In the number 6 spot is Brain Drain. He is 7 seconds back and needs to make this pass here on this final lap. We're getting ready to wave that checkered flag at the top of Soaring Skies as we do for BMS Thomas. He's still alive with good video that time. 3 laps in 1:26. We are still racing hot, guys. Course is hot. We got to finish this one. And SFPV, Viking FPV tripping our line. Then Kid Drone. And Viking, Kid Drone, and now let's run across with Brain Drain. And they are saying, okay, that's not number 7, guy, it's number 4. We're taking a look on a DVR review on EM drones. That was his 3rd lap. His 3rd lap. This. I just hit a button. You watch me do it. Here we go. We're going full screen. Did he go through the gate? Now I'm looking at the gates. And I see it on the side of the gates. And on a DVR review, we're trying to see if he goes through the gates. This is the inner plane of the gate. This is where the side is. I think this is where we're going. And that is not gonna go. That would have been 2nd. I think it would have been 2nd. He was a 33 and a 30. Yeah, that would have been 2nd for sure. So results, official as they are. So that'll be BMS Thomas.
All right, guys, we are here with BMS Thomas, who just took down this heat. Got first. It was such an amazing event.